Welcome to Econ Pulse, where we explore the intersection of AI, politics, and economics. Today we delve into how AI is reshaping the global economic landscape and the critical role of government policies in this transformation. As artificial intelligence continues to advance, its impact on economic systems worldwide becomes increasingly profound. From automation in industries to AI-driven financial markets, the economic battlefield is being redefined. Governments worldwide are adopting diverse AI policies. In the USA, initiatives like the AI in Government Act aim to enhance public services. China's AI strategy focuses on becoming the global leader by 2030, while the EU emphasizes ethical AI development. These policies drive AI adoption, influencing economic growth and job creation. Since 2017, China has prioritized AI governance, evolving through 3 stages. Initially, China encouraged industry self-regulation and investment in AI technology, guided by the State Council's 2017 Plan of Next-Generation AI Development. As China's cybersecurity regime solidified, policymakers began issuing national standards, promoting industry participation, and laying a regulatory foundation. In August 2020, key bodies like the Cyberspace Administration of China, CAC, and the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology issued the guidelines to the construction of the National New Generation AI Standard System 2020, covering technical standards for software, hardware, key technologies, industrial applications, AI security, and ethics. Recently, the CAC has rapidly implemented mandatory regulations, significantly altering AI governance. Key regulations include the Internet Information Service Algorithmic Recommendation Management Provisions 2021, effective from March 1, 2022, the Internet Information Service Deep Synthesis Management Provisions 2022, effective from January 1, 2023, and the Measures for the Management of Generative Artificial Intelligence Services 2023, effective from August 15, 2023. In the USA, initiatives like the AI in Government Act aim to enhance public services. Vice President Kamala Harris recently announced that the White House Office of Management and Budget, OMB, is issuing its first government-wide policy to mitigate the risks of artificial intelligence, while harnessing its benefits. This policy delivers on a core component of President Biden's landmark AI executive order, which directs sweeping actions to strengthen AI safety and security, protect Americans' privacy, advance equity and civil rights, support consumers and workers, promote innovation and competition, and enhance American leadership globally. Federal agencies have completed all 150-day and 90-day actions mandated by the executive order, emphasizing their responsibility to manage AI risks and protect public rights and safety. By December 1, 2024, these agencies must implement safeguards for AI applications affecting Americans' rights, including mandatory assessments, monitoring, and transparency across sectors like health, education, employment, and housing. Examples include allowing travelers to opt out of TSA facial recognition without delays and ensuring human oversight in AI-supported healthcare diagnostics. By summer 2024, the Biden-Harris administration plans to hire 100 AI professionals through the National AI Talent Surge and host a career fair for AI roles in the federal government on April 18th. To support these efforts, the Office of Personnel Management has issued guidance on pay and leave flexibilities for AI roles. Additionally, the fiscal year 2025 President's budget allocates $5 million to expand the General Services Administration's AI training program, which had over 4,800 participants from 78 federal agencies last year. AI policies significantly impact economic growth. While automation may displace some jobs, it also creates new opportunities in tech and innovation. Countries with proactive AI strategies experience increased productivity and economic resilience. AI technologies boost productivity through automation, analytics, and process optimization. They enable businesses to complete tasks with fewer errors and in less time, surpassing human capabilities in speed and accuracy. This reduces costs and reallocates human resources to more valuable activities, potentially raising overall productivity in the economy. For example, AI-driven supply chain management systems predict inventory needs and streamline logistics, cutting overhead expenses and enhancing service efficiency. AI's impact on employment is multifaceted. While it can displace jobs, particularly in routine roles, it also generates new opportunities that demand advanced skills like AI system maintenance, data analysis, and technology development. The net effect on employment varies across industries, influenced by the pace of AI adoption and labor market flexibility. Businesses must navigate these dynamics, planning strategically for workforce transitions and investing in upskilling programs. AI fosters innovation by enabling new product and service developments and enhancing existing capabilities. For instance, in healthcare, AI algorithms analyze extensive medical data to aid in earlier and more precise disease diagnoses, improving patient outcomes and bolstering competitive positioning for healthcare providers. AI influences market structures by lowering entry barriers in some sectors, while bolstering economies of scale in others. This can concentrate market power among firms that invest heavily in AI technologies, potentially challenging smaller enterprises unless they innovate or collaborate within AI ecosystems that democratize technology access. AI transforms strategic decision-making by providing insights from data analysis that were previously inaccessible or challenging to acquire. AI's predictive capabilities empower businesses to forecast market trends, understand consumer behavior, and manage risks effectively. This foresight is critical in dynamic industries where early detection of shifts offers a significant competitive edge. Let's look at some real-world examples. Estonia's digital transformation showcases how AI can streamline government services. Conversely, countries lagging in AI adoption face economic stagnation and competitiveness issues. These case studies highlight the importance of strategic AI policies. A recent report commissioned by Google and prepared by Implement in collaboration with the Estonian government indicates that widespread adoption of generative AI could potentially boost Estonia's GDP by 2.5 to 3 billion euros annually, equivalent to 8% of the country's GDP. The report forecasts that in the future, 61% of Estonia's workforce could collaborate with generative AI, with less than 10% of highly exposed jobs likely to be automated. Concurrently, new jobs are expected to emerge in the AI-powered economy, maintaining overall employment levels while increasing productivity. The report highlights knowledge-intensive business services such as finance, legal affairs, and scientific information as the sectors with the greatest potential for generative AI, potentially contribute up to 0.75 billion euros annually. Similar benefits of 0.5 billion euros are projected for trade, transport, tourism, public administration, healthcare, manufacturing, construction, energy, and water sectors. Agriculture, forestry, fishing, and mining are expected to benefit an additional 0.25 billion euros. The rapid advancement of computing power and interconnectedness has facilitated the accumulation and sharing of extensive and valuable data, now more accessible than ever. This trend has fueled the growth of AI technologies. Notably, there has been a significant increase in AI patent filings globally, with an average annual growth rate of 6% from 2010 to 2015, surpassing the growth rates observed in other patent categories. During this period, Japan, South Korea, and the United States emerged as leaders in AI research, jointly accounting for nearly 2/3 of all AI-related patent applications. Countries such as South Korea, China, and Chinese Taipei have notably escalated their AI patent filings compared to previous years. In contrast, EU member states contributed 12% of the total AI inventions during 2010 to 2015, marking a decrease from their 19% contributions in the preceding decade. The future of AI in politics and economics is both promising and challenging. We may see new political alliances and conflicts centered around AI technology. Long-term economic forecasts suggest that countries leading in AI innovation will dominate future global markets. Moreover, the future promises even more intriguing developments. Some of the most significant potential impacts of AI in politics may not be entirely negative. We can draw clear connections between current AI capabilities and outcomes that, by today's standards, appear remarkably transformative. Effective benchmarks should be meaningful, reflecting substantial real-world consequences, realistically achievable in the foreseeable future, and observable in their attainment. Concerns about AI influencing elections, for instance, may struggle to meet the observability criterion. While the risk of election manipulation through AI-driven promotion of candidates is real, attributing surprising electoral outcomes solely to AI interventions remains challenging due to the complexity of electoral processes. An example of observable impact could be the acceptance by legislative bodies of testimonies or comments generated and submitted under the name of an AI. Instances of AI-drafted legislation, though often criticized for their limited policy depth or human editing influence, illustrate early steps in this direction. These developments include bills introduced in several legislatures, labeled as the first bill written by AI, and speeches generated using AI tools like ChatGPT. To prepare for the AI-driven future, businesses and individuals must adapt by upskilling and embracing new technologies, while governments should focus on sustainable AI policies that balance innovation with ethical considerations. Fostering collaboration between industry, academia, and government will be crucial to advancing AI capabilities responsibly, ensuring the technologies are developed and deployed with transparency and accountability. This approach addresses concerns around privacy, bias, and societal impact, paving the way for an inclusive and beneficial AI-driven future for all stakeholders. AI is transforming the political and economic landscape. Understanding these changes is crucial for navigating the future. Subscribe to Econ Pulse for more insights and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's shape the future together.